Hello, welcome back. So we just got done with the 200 series, and in these 300 series, we'll dig deeper into how to troubleshoot some common problems in data collections of, like motion capture data collections. So the first problem that you will probably face is when you forget to zero the force plates. So as you can see here in this trial, some of the force plates were not zeroed. So you can see here, like instead of starting from 0 in force plate 6, this is this force plate right here. Um, it starts below 0, so it was not zeroed properly. So when you face this problem, I basically exported everything in this workspace, and I'll provide this workspace. So it's the same trial here, and if we present force plate 6 here, you don't see it perfectly in the force plates, but you'll see it more in here. For FCX, you see that it's a little bit above the 0, um, um, so it's not zeroed, as you can see. So what we'll use for this pipeline is we'll use the pipeline command called modify force platform parameters. And here, the modify force platform parameters, it basically allows you to modify any parameter you want in the force plate. So make sure you check this see motion page, which gives you more information on how you actually, for example, if you want to add a specific force plate um, to your lab, or if you want to modify that platform later on. And I'm talking about this post-processing. So either you did a problem like this, so you forgot to zero the force plate, so you can do it post-processing, or pre-collection if you want to add a certain platform, or for example if you have a staircase and you want to add like certain platforms that are not um, on the ground, so you can access that from this uh, from this um, from from this page. All right, but we were focusing specifically on how to um, adjust the force data to make sure that it starts from 0. So in here we'll use modify force platform parameters, and we'll use the specific pipeline or the format here. So we'll use FP0 to basically make sure that we're given the code certain frames. So here 10 is going to be 10 frames. What we're going to use is 20 frames actually. So FP used is the number of force plates that you're collecting with. We have 10 force plates in the main gate lab, so you add 10, and if you have, it just depends on how many force plates you have in actual data. So if you have 6, for example, here you just put 6, but we have 10, so I'm gonna add 10. FP0, it needs to know what specific frames it will use, like the amount of frames and when does it start. So here we say, like, we write 1, so it starts from frame number 1 plus 20, so it's gonna use the 20 frames starting from frame number 1. And then FP0s is like which force plates that I will zero. So here we added that 1 plus 20, and then we added that 10 times to account for the 10 force plates. And then we add the recalculate, so it's just gonna keep recalculate the whole data. So when you execute it, it gives you no errors and no warning. And now when we go back to that force plate, it should like, because we didn't have any forces from so this is the treadmill, so 1 2, and then we have three force plates, 1 2 3, and then this is going 3 3 4 5, and then this is going to be number 6. So 6 7 8 9 10 are the force plates that were used in this trial. So if you go to like force plate number 6, it's fixed. 7 8, let me actually just put it here. So 6 7 8 9 and 10. If you check it in the analog section as well, I believe that it does fix the FPs, all of the FPs. So let's I'm sure that it does that, but let's check here. So it actually does not fix the analog, but it does fix the FP. So when you face a problem like this, you'll only fix it in here. So you see it's fixed, but it does not fix it on the analog. So make sure, like, if you do face that problem, you use only the force plate data from the force type folder. Alright, so that's the main thing from this tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, and I'll try my best to help you. Thank you so much.